So we got the tent done from the last video. We're gonna put goats out here for about a week. So we gotta set up a temporary fence and hook it up to electric because we all know that goats don't respect fences very well. So we got all the boy goats in here and over here. She got some new friends. So we have them locked in here for now. It still looks like a lot of birds in here.
What happened? Did she cut herself?
Somebody was a bad driver.
Let's see a maniac drive.
Where'd the baby go? He's behind it. You can't see the baby. Luna and we don't know the baby's name. Bella and
Is Luna gonna be boss over Bella?
I don't know. She's older, but she is not.
She seems very chill.
So she's very friendly.
You gotta see the
You should have seen us loading her up.
Bella. Did you get a friend?
You're a big girl.
Alright, are you ready? Clarence, you're a little scary there. Clarence, it's okay. We're good. I guess they'll get along. Kayla's over at the other property checking fences.
I gotta walk the fence today and make sure it's safe to put goats out in this big pasture. So this is where we had problems with the goats getting out last time, if you couldn't guess. We got a nice dam there, extra wire. So hopefully it's good.
For the boys, because we have to separate the boys and the girl goats. Luke hasn't shown up yet. So the goats are just gonna get a little section here just to start them out on grass, because if you put them right out on lush grass, they're gonna have digestional issues. Because sudden food changes, they have problems. So we started them out on this not so green. Whoever put this fence away,
You're in trouble.
should be fired.
Exactly.
Because they did it half and half.
This is Kit Kat. We done?
We have 2 pallets in there that we need to stick on our stack of pallets. And then I guess we gotta wait for, well, we have to figure out electric and then wait for Luke. So, yeah, I was thinking that somehow we would connect this gate and that other gate. Open? So how was the fence over yonder?
There's one tree down. I tossed it over, cut off, fixed the fence.
Is it goat proof? I think so. Oh, we also need to, I would like to do Charm's feet, and Carmel needs copper sulfate.
Luke's coming in. Is there something wrong with this tripod?
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
We have 10. You gotta be quiet over there. We got 10 mature does that we are keeping to have babies next year. And then we have one doeling from this year that we are keeping. So most of our mature does are friendly, except for that white one. So we gotta catch her and do her feet, and then we can let them go out on pasture because we can catch everybody else and do their feet when they're out on pasture. This one, Lucas. Come on, you gotta learn how to do it.
It's Isaac's first time.
No, I've done them before. This is my first time this year.
It's been a while.
That's how we do goat feet.
So we got all the boy goats in here and over here. It doesn't look like they want to be in here. They're all like standing at the little door to go out. So we're going to take some pictures of the ones that are for sale and then load them into the trailer to take them over to the other pasture. To the big old world out there.
When we're doing this, we need at least 3 people to do dough. Good job. Nice. Boy.
Where you going? There you go. I think I got a good one. Yeah.
Okay, I had to get it.
Oh God, it's here. So our goal is to put them all in that little pen-like thing so that they know where there's a safe place to go. He's right behind you, Kayla. She got some new friends. So we have them locked in here for now. They can go inside the building. We got hay, water. To show them that this is their safe spot to go. Hey guys. Your next trip to the next spot, you'll get some rain. This is our goal. Get them into the tent. So we're gonna have to run them through the garden. So they're over there with a temporary fence. So from there, all the way up here, over to the tent.
Good job. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Can you get bouncy? Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Come on. Yay! Woo! Oh, there's nothing in here. I got one here. That is tiring. It's empty. I dumped it on the ground. Happy go. And you guys can come outside. Luna likes the goats.
She's curious about him. So we're moving the chicks out. Sounds pretty chaotic.
Yeah.
You'll be happier outside. Look at them. They look so happy. I don't think they quite know what to do, but... And we'll have to set up heat lamps and food and water in there.
This is going to take a while. Maybe we can make it back.
It's only 103 birds, 2 at a time. I better help them. It still looks like a lot of birds in here. They're trying to staple the blanket up so that it's no wind comes through. Keep them warmer.